Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious steak kebab. So to get started, you are going to be needing half a red bell pepper, half a green bell pepper, half a red onion, and some pineapples, and I have one lime that I'll be using to clean my meat. You are going to be needing some zucchini, and I am using some steak. This was actually a roast that I went ahead and cut up into some bite pieces. You are going to be needing some garlic powder, onion powder, and some thyme. This is dry thyme. And you are going to be needing some Worcestershire sauce, some olive oil, and I am using some good quality cumin powder. And you are needing your steaks. I have 4 of these metal ones, and I'm also going to be using the bamboo sticks as well. But before you use these, I like to soak them in water for 20 to 30 minutes. That way it doesn't burn really fast when you put it in the grill. And of course you need some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I used in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. So to get started, I like to clean my meat with my lime. So I'm going to take a piece of the lime and really rub it in the meat really well. Okay, scrub each pieces, and then once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it under some hot water before I start seasoning that meat. I just can't help but wash my meat, guys. The Haitian in me just can't allow me not to wash my meat. It's just something that I just can't do without. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it under some hot water, and then I'll start the seasoning process. Okay, so first we are going to hit it with a little bit of salt, okay, and a little bit of ground black pepper. And now I'm using 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder and half a teaspoon of thyme. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of cumin, okay? And of course, we are going to be needing that sauce, that Worcestershire sauce, just about a teaspoon of that as well. And I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of olive oil, okay? And I like to squeeze a little bit of my lime juice in there, about a teaspoon of lime juice. Again, you can really add whatever flavor you want to this. It is totally up to you. This is just what I want mine to taste like, okay? And with my hands, clean hands of course, and you are going to make sure you mix everything together. And we are going to place this in the fridge for at least 1 hour. If you do it overnight, of course, it is much better. Now I like to season my vegetables with a little bit of olive oil, another 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, okay, and some salt and pepper, and goes the pepper, and then the salt. And I also like to add a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder to that, so about 1/2 teaspoon of each, and then I'm going to add some thyme to it as well. And I want that cumin as well, so 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Okay, basically the same thing you use in your steak. You want to make sure you season your vegetable with that as well. And these are also going in the fridge for about 1 hour or more. All right, now it's time to put the kebab together. As I mentioned earlier, I like to soak the bamboo ones, so I let them soak for a good 30 minutes. But I like to use these as well. So I like to start with the meat. So all you're doing is really poking the meat in all the way in, and poke a vegetable, okay? If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and also Twitter, and also go snap with me on Snapchat. You can find all the link to my social medias down in the description box. And of course, please go follow my other YouTube page where I cook, but I speak Creole. And we also just created a family channel. So if you haven't, please go follow me on that channel as well. Link will be down below for you guys to check out. Again, you can see it's pretty easy to do. And I did went ahead and added some soy sauce to my meat. Again, I will list everything I use in the description box for you guys. Oh, that one flew away. Let's take another one. So just put as many of them as you want, and then we can start grilling them. Really delicious summer food, or before summer end type food. Okay, so I'll continue doing that, and then when it's all done, like I said, I'm going to grill it. When it's all done, I'll come back and show you guys exactly what it looks like. As far as the grilling time, just cook it until you are satisfied on how your meat look. Of course, you know, some people like their meat medium well or medium rare, however you like your meat. Cook it until that desired look. Alright guys, my kebabs are done. As you can see, this is what they look like. It still have a nice grill mark, even though they are not well done, because I don't really care for my steak well done. So I'm gonna go ahead and try a piece. I love the flavor of that seasoning. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.